FS Flex D pipe installation. Required materials and tools. FireStop Sealant 3000 fire-rated silicone. Blanket D24B fire-rated insulation. Use regular installation tools for the assembly. Measure the blanket D24B accordingly to the sleeve depth to be installed in both ends of the sleeve. Roll or fold the blanket D24B in suitable sizes and insert into the sleeve. Make sure the surface of the blanket D24B is as even and smooth as possible. For water and gas tightness, you must separate the pipes and insert blanket D24B in between the pipes. Install the blanket D24B also on this side, exactly as you did on the previous side. Don't forget to install blanket D24B between the pipes and make sure the surface of the blanket D24B is as even and smooth as possible. A recommended inspection control of the blanket D24B can now be performed. Make sure the thickness of the FireStop Sealant 3000 is nominal 15 millimeters or 0.6 inches on both sides. Apply the FireStop Sealant 3000 nominal 15 millimeters or 0.6 inches on the blanket D24B surface on both sides. When applying FireStop Sealant 3000, make sure to press the nozzle into the blanket D24B. Use a sponge wetted with soap water or a spray bottle with soap water in order to even out the FireStop Sealant 3000 and make sure all voids are filled. Make sure to even out the FireStop Sealant 3000 between the pipes. Do the same procedure on the other side. The sleeve depth must always be filled with blanket D24B, leaving a nominal thickness of 15 millimeters or 0.6 inches on each side for the FireStop Sealant 3000.